Ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality? Follow this step-by-step guide and learn how to launch your own company like a pro. Start building your business today. Starting your own company can be a daunting task, but it can also be one of the most rewarding experiences of your life. If you have a passion for entrepreneurship and want to learn how to launch your own company, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing a step-by-step guide on how to launch your own company. Number 1, define your idea. The first step in launching your own company is to define your idea. This involves identifying the problem you want to solve or the need you want to fulfill, and then developing a solution that meets that need. It's important to spend time brainstorming ideas and thinking about what you are passionate about. You should also consider factors like market demand, competition, and potential profitability. Your idea should be something that you are truly passionate about and that has the potential to make a significant impact in your chosen market. You may need to do some research to refine your idea and ensure that there is a viable market for it. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to do, you can move on to the next step of researching your market to see if your idea has the potential to be successful. Number 2, research your market. After defining your idea, the next step in launching your own company is to research your market. This involves gathering information about your potential customers, competitors, and market trends. You should identify your target audience, their needs and preferences, and the current demand for your product or service. It's also important to study your competition and analyze their strengths and weaknesses, as well as their pricing and marketing strategies. This will help you position your company and products or services effectively in the market. You can use tools like Google Trends, social media, and online surveys to gather data about your market. By researching your market, you will be able to make informed decisions about your product development, marketing strategy, and pricing. This will give your company a competitive edge and increase your chances of success. Number 3, write a business plan. Once you have defined your idea and researched your market, the next step in launching your own company is to write a business plan. A business plan is a written document that outlines your company's goals, strategies, and financial projections. It's an important tool for guiding your company's growth and securing funding from investors. Your business plan should include an executive summary, company overview, market analysis, marketing and sales strategies, and financial projections. It should also outline your product or service, target market, and competitive advantage. In addition, your business plan should include a budget, cash flow projections, and funding needs. It's important to keep your business plan up to date and adjust it as necessary based on changing market conditions or other factors. By having a well-written and comprehensive business plan, you will be better prepared to navigate the challenges and opportunities that come with launching and growing your own company. Number 4, choose a legal structure. Choosing a legal structure refers to the way your company will be organized and registered with the government. The most common legal structures for small businesses include sole proprietorships, partnerships, limited liability companies, and corporations. Each structure has its own advantages and disadvantages, and the one you choose will depend on factors such as the number of owners, level of personal liability, tax implications, and funding needs. For example, a sole proprietorship is a popular choice for entrepreneurs who want to run their own business without a lot of legal paperwork or costs. However, it also means that the owner is personally liable for any debt or legal issues that arise. A corporation, on the other hand, offers limited liability protection, but requires more paperwork and formalities. It is important to consult with a lawyer or accountant when choosing a legal structure for your company, as it can have significant implications for your business operations and financial responsibilities. Number 5, register your company. Once you have chosen a legal structure, the next step in launching your own company is to register it with the government. The registration process varies depending on your location and legal structure, but typically involves filing paperwork and paying fees to obtain a business license and tax ID number. You may also need to register for state and local taxes, obtain permits, and comply with other regulatory requirements. It's important to research the registration process in your area and make sure you have all the necessary documents and information before you begin. This will help you avoid delays or legal issues later on. Additionally, you may want to consider trademarking your company name and logo to protect your brand and intellectual property. Registering your company is a crucial step in launching your business as it establishes your legal presence and allows you to operate legally and professionally. Number 6, build your team. Building a team is an important step in launching your own company. Depending on the size and scope of your business, you will need to hire employees, contractors, or freelancers to help you with various tasks. You should determine the skills and experience you need for each position and develop job descriptions and hiring criteria accordingly. It's important to create a positive and supportive workplace culture and to provide your team with the resources and support they need to be successful. You may also want to consider outsourcing certain tasks or using technology to streamline your operations. When building your team, it's important to consider not just their qualifications, but also their fit with your company's culture and values. By building a strong and talented team, you will be better able to achieve your business goals and serve your customers effectively. Number 7, create your product or service. Once you have your team in place, it's time to create your product or service. This involves developing a prototype or minimum viable product that you can test and refine before launching to the market. It's important to focus on creating a product or service that meets the needs of your target audience and that provides a unique value proposition compared to your competitors. You should also consider factors like pricing, packaging, and branding when creating your product or service. It's a good idea to seek feedback from early adopters and conduct user testing to identify any issues or areas for improvement. As you develop your product or service, you should also develop a marketing strategy that will help you reach your target audience and generate interest in your offering. By creating a high-quality and well-designed product or service, you will be better able to differentiate yourself from competitors and build a loyal customer base. Number 8, launch your company. The final step in launching your own company is to actually launch it. This involves creating a launch plan that includes a timeline, budget, and marketing strategy. You should identify your target audience and develop a messaging strategy that resonates with them. You should also plan a launch event or campaign to generate buzz and excitement around your company. This may involve reaching out to media outlets, influencers, or social media channels to spread the word. During the launch process, it's important to monitor customer feedback and make any necessary adjustments to your product or service based on their input. You should also track your key performance indicators to measure the success of your launch and make data-driven decisions about your business strategy going forward. By successfully launching your company, you will be well on your way to achieving your business goals and building a successful enterprise. Well, that's it for today's video on the step-by-step guide to launch your own company. Starting your own company can be a long and challenging process, but it's also incredibly rewarding. By following these steps, you can launch your own company and pursue your entrepreneurial dreams. Remember to stay focused, stay passionate, and never give up. We hope you found this video helpful. If so, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.